Hi, Dr. Bove here. Today we're going to work out our bicep muscles with the resistance band. I love the resistance band because it's lightweight and easy to bring with you everywhere. You can use it at work, at lunch, use it at home, and while you travel. I often use it at the airports even. So there's different ways you can do it. You can either put both feet on the resistance band, do a curl like that, or you can do one arm curls and you put both feet on the resistance band like that and then do a one arm curl. You can slide your feet to the end of it to make it easier, or to make it harder you slide your feet this way and this makes the curl much harder. And then switch arms and you do the same thing with the other side. And you want to work your way up to 3 sets of 10. Maybe start out with 3 sets of 5, 3 sets of 8. Always start out with the lightest weight resistance band possible to prevent injury. And work out with running or biking or walking for 20 to 30 minutes before you do any resistance training to prevent injury. Combine this with running or biking or walking, and it helps you prevent heart disease and diabetes. So it's a wonderful exercise and it helps you look good and feel good. So let's get working those biceps. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.